Hi, I'm Ros Conkie and I'm bringing together a small group of ambitious business owners for a course called Engineer Your Marketing Machine. If you're tired of your marketing falling flat, confused why activities like networking or social media or all these activities are working better for other people than for you, or if you're unsure whether to invest in marketing like advertising or PR, then this course is for you. Starting in May, Engineer Your Marketing Machine is a series of 6 3-hour workshops where you'll learn a robust marketing structure that will enable you to scale your business. I'll teach you how to build a marketing strategy that works and design a customised marketing plan that you'll start implementing straight away. Over the course of the 6 sessions, we'll be covering your audience and who you want to attract to your business, your proposition and how you describe the value you bring to your customers. We'll be setting your marketing objectives and working out how you're going to measure whether your marketing is working. Then we'll look at your whole marketing process and work out where we can reduce friction in the system to make it as easy as possible for your customers to choose you and buy from you. We're going to create powerful marketing messages that will resonate with your buyer. And then once you've built your marketing machine, we will look at how you can fine-tune every component of it to scale up your business. This year, I'm running the course as a pilot for half the normal price. And there are only 8 spaces, so if you're interested, please get in touch. I'd love to have a chat with you and see if this course will help you to meet your business objectives. I'm only accepting people onto the course who are at the right stage of their business to get the most out of this course and to get real value for money. So please apply for your place on my website at rosconkie.com/EYMM and we'll talk. I hope to hear from you soon.